We bowl off with cricket, and a man of the match performance from Jamaican Sheldon Cottrell and a 16-ball half-century from Shea Hope guided the West Indies to an 8-wicket victory over Bangladesh in the first of their 3 T20 internationals in Sylhet today. Simon Preston tells us more.
After losing the Test and ODI series, the Windies are now hoping to leave Bangladesh and end 2018 with a T20 series win. Bangladesh won the toss and decided to bat first, which played into the hands of Jamaican fast bowlers Sheldon Cottrell and Shane Thomas. The short deliveries with pace proved to be a handful for the diminutive Bangladeshis as the Caribbean side tore through the top order. Skipper Shakib Al Hassan kept the scoreboard ticking, but wickets continued to fall around him, leaving Bangladesh at 73 for 5 after 10.2 overs. Shakib brought up his 50 off 40 deliveries, but Sheldon Cottrell was back to claim his 4th wicket to silence the crowd in Sylhet. Bangladesh were bowled out for 129 inside 19 overs as Kemo Paul removed Mustafizur Rahman to end the innings. With the bat, the Windies got off to a splendid start as Evan Lewis and Shea Hope combined for a 51-run first-wicket partnership off 19 balls. Lewis departed for 18, but his fellow Trinidadian Nicholas Pooran picked up from where he left off with exquisite shots along with the informed Shea Hope. Hope brought up his 50 off 16 delivers to draw the Windies closer to victory. Mahmudullah removed Hope for 55, and then Kemo Paul took the Windies to victory with a knock of 28 from 14 balls. The match was done and dusted with 55 balls to spare. The second T20 international will be played in Dhaka on Thursday. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Simon Preston.